Instapage website builder review. Watch before using. Most people get landing page builders wrong. They assume creating effective pages is complicated and time-consuming. The surprising truth about Instapage is that it makes designing high-converting landing pages fast, intuitive, and fully customizable, and you won't believe how well it integrates with marketing tools. Here's how it works. Instapage offers a drag-and-drop editor, pre-built templates, a /B testing, and analytics. It integrates with email marketing, CRM, and advertising platforms, allowing marketers to optimize campaigns based on real-time performance. For example, an e-commerce store running a Facebook ad campaign can create a dedicated landing page, test two designs, and track conversions all without coding. Most people get this wrong. They assume you need a developer for conversion-focused landing pages, but Instapage handles design and analytics in one platform. Additional features include dynamic text replacement for ad personalization, heat maps to analyze user behavior, and responsive design for mobile visitors. Users praise speed, ease of use, and detailed reporting. However, there are considerations. Pricing is higher than general website builders, and it's primarily focused on marketing and lead generation, not full websites. Most people assume all builders are the same. Instapage specializes in conversion optimization. In conclusion, Instapage is ideal for marketers, agencies, and businesses looking to create high-converting landing pages quickly and efficiently. Subscribe for more honest reviews of website and marketing tools.